We got the maiden flight of the PA-18. It is freezing out. What's it, like 20 degrees out, Cynthia? 21? Something like that. Let's try. We'll try takeoff flaps. I've never flown this. Left, right, back, up, down, left rudder, left aileron, right hand. All right, let's give it a try. Wow, she was a little pitchy. Yep. I gotta find my elevator. There we go. Boy, it just floats. This is the maiden flight of the plane I got for $70 on AliExpress. Trying to make sure it's trimmed out. It's a little pitchy on the elevator. Trying to trim it up, guys. Yeah. Oh, that sun. She flies easy. I'm just not getting her trimmed out right yet. Does fly nice. What do you think, Junior? Nice. How about a loop?
Nice loop. 2 minutes.
What do you think, Duffy? My buddy Duffy should be watching. You like it? He likes the high wings. I should probably try to land it, huh? Junior? I'm not used to this field. We just found this field.
One minute. Flaps down.
I got the throttle off. Boy, that pitches. I'll put the flaps back up. Whoa, a little too early, a little bounce. Alright, well there it is, maiden flight of the $70 plane from AliExpress, the PA-18. Love it. See you next time, guys.